What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Apeman C420 DashCam. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid $34.99, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you want to buy one or if you need any more information. So right guys, we'll have a quick look around the box. So on the box itself it just says it's 1080p full HD. It's got 170 degrees wide angle lens. On the side of the box here it says it's got motion detection, it's got loop recording, it's got wide dramatic range, and it's got a G sensor protection. On the back of the box the key features are 1080p full HD. Again, it's 170 degrees wide angle lens. It's got a 2-inch LCD screen at the back of it, and it's got f1.8. So it's got a WDR, which is automatically creates a balanced image and footage. It's got a G sensor, which senses sudden movement and freezes the image. It's got motion detection, which automatically starts recording when it senses any movement. So right, that's everything on the box. We'll open it up and have a look. So first of all, we've got a greetings card, and in here it just says thank you for purchasing this product. You get a 1 year's warranty with it, and it's got Apple supports contact details, just in case if you have any issues or problems you can get in touch with them directly. So after that we've got the user manual, and then next we've got the camera itself. So this is what the camera looks like. Just let you have a quick look round it. So right, what can I tell you about it? So on the top here we've got the suction mount connection here. So that's where the suction mount connects, and I'll show you how that connects later. On this side we've got the micro USB port that's used for charging and data transfer. On the side here we've got the on and off button, and that's the select button as well. Then we've got the up button, we've got the menu button in the middle, and then we've got the down button. On the other side here we've got the microphone here at the top. Next we've got a slot here to connect a rear camera if you want to connect a rear camera. Here you connect a micro SD card, which it takes up to a 32GB class 10 micro SD card. Underneath here, if you can see that little hole, that's where the factory reset button is. So just be careful you don't get confused with that and the microphone, because you don't want to do damage to the microphone if you press that with the pin which they supply in the box. I'll show you that later. So that's everything on that side. On the back of it, just got a 2-inch screen. On the front of it we've got the lens itself at the front, which is a 170 degrees wide angle lens, and it records at 1080p. Underneath here we've got the actual speaker, and then we've got some cooling vents at the bottom. So right, that's everything on the camera. I'll turn it on and show you how it works. So if you press the on button, hold it for a few seconds, it'll automatically turn on. Right, I'm just going to turn this light off so it doesn't flash. Right, so this is on recording at the moment. It's on video mode. So if you press the on button, which is the shutter button as well, that'll start recording. So that's recording now. If I press it again, it'll stop recording. The menu button is in the middle. If I press that and hold it for a few seconds, that will take me into photo mode. So now we're in the photo mode. If I press the on and off button and the shutter button, that'll take pictures. Again, if I press the menu button and hold that for about 2 seconds, that'll take us to our library. So now we're in our library. These are the pictures what we took, and if we press up, it'll flick through the pictures. And this is some footage as well what I've recorded. So to view the footage, to press play, you press the select button again. If you want to pause it, you press select again. If you want to fast forward it, you press down, and that'll fast forward it. If you want to rewind it, you press up. And if you want to stop, you press that. If you want to come out of it, you press the menu button. If you press the menu button, if you want to delete the video, if you can go to the menu button, and then you can select if you want to delete it by pressing OK here. But I don't want to delete it at the moment, so I'm going to press menu and come out of that. So from there we'll go back to the gallery, and what I'll do is I'll show you how to delete it. If you press the menu button, I kept hold of it too long then. If you go to the menu button and press it straight away and let go, it takes you into the delete feature, and if you press OK, it will delete that. You've got a choice of deleting all or delete the current one. So I want to delete the current one. I'll press OK here, and just to confirm, that's deleted now. So right, if I press menu, it should take me back out of here. So now I'm going to flick through now again. I'm going to delete this as well. So here we've got some nighttime footage, and I'll play that now. And I'll let you have a demo of what this was like, so you can see what it's like. So right guys, that was the nighttime footage. I'll see if I can find some daytime footage. So here we've got some daytime footage. So right guys, that was all the demo for the footage. So if we press menu here, no, I was wrong about that. If I press menu again, it should take me out of here. Right, if I keep hold of menu, it should take us back to where we normally are. Now if I press menu now and we're in the video mode, it'll take you to this menu system here. So at the moment we're on resolution. If you press enter from there, you can decide what you want. So at the moment it's on 1080p. I'm going to leave it on 1080p. And then if you press down, you can go on loop recording and set that. WDR, you can set your exposure, your motion detection. You can turn your audio on and off. You can set your timestamp. You can turn the gravity sensor on, parking guide on, your headlight warning. And that's everything on that menu system. If you press menu again, if you notice on the top here, it's on this side, but if I press menu again, it goes on to the other settings side. Now here you can set your time and date, and if I press down, you can automatically power off if you're not using it and set a time limit. You can turn these beeps off. You can set the language. You can set the frequency. You can set the screensaver. The screensaver basically, it turns the monitor off while it's recording to save power. Personally, I wouldn't do that because they supply you with a cigarette lighter power supply, so you've got a permanent power supply. So I'd leave it on just to make sure you know it's recording. So underneath there, you've got your license plate number, so you can put your license plate number of your vehicle in, and when you set the timestamp and everything, it'll come up with your license plate number as well. So here, this is where you format the micro SD card, and you need to do that before you do any kind of recording, or else it might not record at all. So to enter that, you just press that, and you press down and confirm that to record, but I'm not going to do that at the moment. So right after that, we've got the default settings, which it'll put you back to, and then it just tells you what version of software you're running, and that's everything on there. So right guys, that's everything on the camera I can show you. I'm just going to turn that off, and I'll show you what else we get in the box with it. So we've got the suction cup what comes with it, and that's adjustable. I'm just going to turn the light on so you can see a bit more. You can adjust that and you tighten it up from this side here once you've got it set. And what you'll do is you'll put it onto the windscreen and push down, and you will spin this round and it will lock into place. To unlock it, you just take it back down again. So that just fits onto the camera here, if you can see that. So this square slot slots into that slot, and then you put it in and slide it across. So you just put it in like that and slide it across, and that's ready to mount now. To take it off, you slide it across and lift it up. So it's pretty easy to add the mount to it. Next we've got the long power supply, and that connects to your cigarette lighter, and it's got a spare USB port so you can charge your phone up as well. Next we've got one of these little plastic things to split your trim apart so you can feed the wire through, so you can hide the wire. We've got a little reset pin, if you can see that. It's a bit like the Apple ones. And like I said, remember, that's the microphone and that's the factory reset. If you stab that, you'll probably damage your microphone and you won't pick up sound. So just be careful with that. And lastly, we've got another charging lead as well, so you can charge that with a power bank or whatever you want really. And that's everything in the box. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.